If you can mix toothpaste and water in a paper cup, you can create the most luxurious organic skincare sold in exquisite boutiques or around the world, with time and training. Today, we will explore the possibility of formulating and creating skincare yourself. First, I suggest you decide in which capacity you want to make them. For your family and yourself, for family and friends, for profit on a very small scale, such as at local farmers markets and vendor events, for profit on a community-wide scale, products in local private businesses, for profit on a regional scale, products in local retail chains, shops, and boutiques, for profit on a national scale, products sold across state lines, e-commerce, online stores, stores in other states, or for profit on an international scale, products sold around the globe. You can always start with one and work your way up to your goal. Each capacity comes with its own unique challenges and rewards. Once you determine your goal for capacity, there are key aspects to consider from the very beginning. Do I have money to invest, or do I need to earn money to invest? Do I have enough knowledge and training to make my own products, or do I need further training? What reasonable quantities and types of products can I produce with my current location, situation, and training? We'll visit each one of these considerations in a separate video. Today we'll focus on, do I have money to invest, or do I need to earn money to invest? It takes money to make money. Using only ingredients in your kitchen cabinets can only take you so far. Even if you're simply making skincare and cosmetics for your family, you'll need some very basic equipment, raw ingredients, and cleaning supplies. Notice I did not ask, do I need to get a loan to begin making skincare? From the very beginning, I have been determined not to go in debt to have a business. It may be a slower beginning, but the ending is much happier ever after. If you're starting like I did and you have no disposable income to speak of, there are numerous ways of attaining funds. Crowdfunding is a huge trend right now. I never felt this was the right path for me. While I knew my family and friends would have been generous and willing to help support my dream financially, I desired to work and earn my beginning seed. Glean from your talents and gifts. Use what you have and make it work. Invest, then reinvest. Once you have some funds saved up, be prepared to invest all that money back into your ingredients, containers, and equipment. Keep doing what you are doing to make a little extra money. Make the products you can with what you have, then use the money from your sales. Reinvest all the profit over and over again. A few things I wish someone had told me in the beginning. Don't try to have an entire product line at once. This will quickly drain your resources. Instead, focus on one or two products you're good at making and perfect them. Once you see other people want to buy them, focus your attention on those couple of products to get them to the point you want them to be before moving on. Labels are the devil. That's a slight exaggeration, but oh my goodness, I had no idea how many labeling rules there were when I first began my journey. I had my first products ready to the point where they could be on retail chain store shelves within a couple of years. It took an additional year for me to prepare labels to the best of my ability, adhering to all regulations. If you have the money, it's well worth the peace of mind to speak with a labeling attorney. If not, be sure to do your homework. Your products and all your hard work is for naught if your labels are not done correctly. A good and reliable scale is going to cost more than you want to pay. Once you begin creating batches of skincare, you will thank yourself for investing in this vital piece of equipment. Trust me. You don't have to purchase a bazillion identical bottles from a bottle supply store. There are other ways to get a professional look before you can afford bulk packaging from suppliers. People are looking for your products. I remember going to my first vendor event fearing no one would even want a humble lip balm. I was standing amongst seasoned direct sales vendors. Many represented well-known cosmetic companies. Why in the world would anyone choose my homemade skincare over their perfectly packaged, beautiful, well-known, effective skincare and cosmetics? That was one of my most profitable events I ever attended. Why? I had something different, something unique, something the bigger companies couldn't replicate. I had Naturally Gracious, made in Fairlawn, Virginia. You'll have your products made in your hometown. No one else has that. People want it. By the way, I created my very first formula with the help of my fellow 7-year-old friend at a sleepover. I'll never forget the excitement and butterflies I experienced watching toothpaste slowly dissolve in a cute little paper rinse cup. We had created mouthwash. What else could I make? 30 plus years later, I still look forward to my next creation. I'm pretty sure I'm not alone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, but you also must click the little bell symbol to know when I post a new video. I can't wait to share information about making skincare with you. This has been Laura with Naturally Gracious. Here's wishing you the best skin possible.